Transform your floors with these vacuum hacking tips for deep, flawless cleaning. Tip number 1. Clear clutter fully. Move all objects obstructing the vacuum's path for complete dirt access. Tip number 2. Optimize suction power first. Empty dust bins completely and clean clogged filters before starting. Tip number 3. Adjust vacuum head height perfectly. Match carpet pile or hard flooring to maximize pickup. Tip number 4. Make slow, overlapping passes. Capture all dust and debris with thorough back and forth strokes. Tip number 5. Double clean high traffic zones. Lift stubborn ground in dirt that ordinary vacuuming misses. Tip number 6. Hit corners and edges fully. Use attachments to remove debris where floors and walls meet. Tip number 7. Finish along ceilings and baseboards. Go the extra mile to eliminate every speck of dust. Tip number 8. Utilize advanced vacuum features. Lasers, self-emptying bins, cordless convenience to make cleaning utterly effortless. Now discover the most fluff-lifting vacuums on the market. The Dyson V15 Detect Laser exposes microscopic dust and auto-increases suction. Extreme clean. The iRobot Roomba S9 Plus empties itself for 60 days of hands-free cleaning power. The nimble, rapid-charging caloric HUVI cordless for fast spot cleaning. The bagless Bissell featherweight stick, folding flat for storage and furniture cleaning. The Dustbuster handheld, compact cordless cleaning for crumbs anywhere. Check out the links to these top vacuums in the video description below. Follow these tips and vacuum hacks for floors that sparkle to perfection every time. Ask any additional questions below.